Hey there, I'm Ricardo Hansen, a sales engineer here at Jitterbit, and today we'll be looking at a customer and product sync between Magento and NetSuite. This type of flow and example will help illustrate how Jitterbit can automate processes that are many times manual, time-consuming, and inefficient, and create quicker order processing and fulfillment needs, as well as accurate inventory levels. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into showing Jitterbit in action. We'll first start with the customer sync. Jump into Magento here. You can see we have a customer named Magento NetSuite. And if we jump into NetSuite, we'll go ahead and search that customer. As you can see, that customer does not exist. Let's go ahead and jump over to Cloud Studio and kick off the customer sync operation. While that's running, let's take a look at the basics of Cloud Studio. As you notice, I ran that operation manually, but this can be set up on a batch scheduler that can be set to run as frequent as down to the minute, every 5 minutes, or whatever it needs to be for your use case. We also have the ability to leverage real-time capabilities with our API manager, where you can create and publish your own APIs. In terms of what you're looking at here on the screen, on the left-hand side, we have the project pane. This is where you can access the different levels of your flows or components within an operation. In the center, we have the design canvas. This is where you'll spend majority of the time building and designing the integration flows. And on the right-hand side, we have the component palette. This is where all of our native and standardized connectors are housed. I like to think that we are extremely endpoint agnostic. So we have native connectors, standardized connectors such as REST, SOAP, or database connections, as well as the ability with Connector Builder to build a custom connector that we might not have in our list. Awesome. So now that that operation is finished running, let's go ahead and take a look at NetSuite to see if that customer was successfully synced. And there it is. From Magento to NetSuite with our customer sync operation. Awesome. So now let's move into our product sync. We'll jump into Magento here and we'll pull up products. And this is the actual product we're looking for. And as you can see, it does not exist in Magento. So let's go ahead and jump back into Cloud Studio, where we'll kick off that product sync. Now, as that's running, we'll just take a quick look at the flow here. So what we're doing is we're doing a NetSuite search to search for that specific product. We're mapping that data using a transformation, where we're writing that data to a variable. From that variable, we're able to read it. Again, map between those schemas. So we have that transformation of data, and then post that product into Magento. You can see here we now have it a success. So let's go ahead and jump into Magento. We'll refresh the products page, and we'll research for that ID. And there you can see it. Now we have that simple product, the JB100, housed in Magento. And that came from NetSuite. So there you have it, automation through Jitterbit, and the ability to use our platform as a way to transform, massage, and move data between any endpoint, as well as create efficiencies in your workflows and business processes. This flow ultimately represents the ability to create order efficiency, provide a 360-degree view between systems, and in turn increase customer satisfaction. Thanks for listening in.